What is up guys, Express here, and I'm back with another video. Now this is again the long awaited top 5 series, and I gotta say we got a lot of people joining top 5 recently. In April we had over 400 submissions. That was absolutely crazy. Well, it took me a while to find the perfect 5, but I asked some friends as well what they thought were the best as well, and I got some top 5 that I really liked. There were some other ones that I didn't put in, but I really liked as well. But yeah, I got 5 that I really enjoy, I really like, that they jumped out of it by color, by effects, by what they did, because there was 400 and you gotta jump out of the 400 in a way or another. And we'll just jump right into the first one. Okay, we got Ico. I really love his design, colorful, and that's what I like. Out of the 400, of course. I really liked the placements as well, and I love it. I love the anime as well. Forgot the name for a sec, but I love it as well. So that's why this is in the top 5 designs. Personally, would have done maybe put a gradient map on top of the left render, but it's not bothering me as much, so it's fine. Love the little clouds as well. Great design, great job. Go check him out, of course, on Twitter and Behance. He has some other great stuff that I really liked on his Behance, so go check that out if you want. Up next one we have Snowy. This guy absolutely smashed it with his Valorant banner. He also was in the previous top 5 designs. I think the first one from January, I'm not sure, or February, but he was in the previous one as well. But I thought he did a great job with this as well, with the Valorant one. It's not anime one because, you know, there was a lot of anime in it, and I enjoyed this Valorant banner. Love the text, love the colors, love the placements. What I would have done with the bottom sponsor text, maybe put them in a white, not a black, because you can't really see them that much. You can't really read them as well. But the last one, I think you can't really read what that is. It's a lot of blue, but the character Jet is blue, of course, so that fits. So yeah, that's number 2, Snowy. He's been in the previous one as well. He's doing great. Follow him on Twitter. I follow him as well because he posts some. Up to the next one, we got Jaden of J. Great. He's popping off with his own style. I've seen this on his Twitter. This is, I don't know where he came up with this design style, but I love it. Love the Japanese text. Love that font. I love the colors and the gradients. Like, I'm a big fan of gradients, and this is perfect. Love the little swoosh effect and the little circles. It all fits. It's clean, it's simple, but it's so good. It's so well done. I have nothing to say on this. This is something that I really like and really want with my logo as well. So yeah, this is number 3, but it's not in a specific order like I always say. Okay, nothing really to say. Check him out on Twitter. He has some great stuff on there as well. Up to the next one, we have Jaleed, with the My Hero Academia header. I think this is really well done in my opinion. I love the render and the colors. You know, gradients. I'm not biased for gradients, but I mean, if you do a real great gradient, then that's something great in my book. But I love the text. It's not too difficult, but also not too simple. It's a clean, simple, like 3D kind of effect. Really love that as well. Love the circles, just love the colors, and yeah, really well done. What I would have done, maybe put another character with a gradient map in the back, so it's just to fill some up for more space, but that's not necessary. And of course, the last one, you have Jane with the absolute amazing animation. This is like the first animation in the Discord server, and it's just beautiful. I mean, it's something I've never seen before in my server, and it's amazing. It's actually well done as well. Like, it's so clean, maybe a bit too much white, but still it's great. It's fantastic. I mean, I don't have anything to say about it. So yeah, go check him out. He doesn't really have a Twitter platform or Instagram. He usually uses Discord, so he has a lot of members, almost like 5,000 I think. But you know, join mine as well. We're at 600 members as well. We're growing, we're strong. Express community is growing big. So also my Discord server will be in the link in the description if you want to join next month, of course. Okay. That was the top 5. We ended with an amazing animation. I absolutely love that. Thanks for all the entries, like over 400 entries, and that's absolutely massive. I never thought so many people would join in the top 5 designs, but I think these people of top 5 designs really showed off what they can do, and I can't wait for next month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to join the Discord, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you think was your favorite design of this month. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.